Do you ever get home from work and you think, oh no, I forgot to pull the meat out of the freezer for dinner. What are we gonna do? No worries. I'm gonna show you today how to make a roast in the Instant Pot from frozen. Let's do it. We're going to begin by adding a cup of water to the Instant Pot. And we're gonna put a 1 pound roast in the Instant Pot on the trivet. I'm going to add 2 cubes of sofrito. If you're not sure what sofrito is, check out the video about how to make sofrito. A tablespoon of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt or whatever type salt you like, 1/2 cup of diced onions, a few sprinkles of black pepper. I'm going to add sweet potatoes and carrots that I already have diced. I'm gonna put broccoli on top, put the lid on, make sure the venting valve is on sealed, and we're gonna let it do its thing. I have set my Instant Pot to pressure cook high for 30 minutes. Our roast has cooked for 30 minutes. It has done a self-release for 11 minutes. Now we're gonna do a quick release. The little silver pin has dropped down, so let's check our roast and potatoes. Now for the best part. Let's taste this roast. So good. Now if you want your roast falling apart, you're gonna wanna cook it for probably 35 to 40 minutes from frozen, but this is tender and good, just not falling apart. Now let's taste one of our potatoes. Hot, but melt in your mouth good. This is how easy it is to make a 1-pot meal with a frozen roast. You just throw it all in there with some seasoning and voila, you've got your dinner ready in about an hour. This recipe was amazing. The only thing I would do different is I would leave the broccoli out. It was very mushy. It tasted good, but I don't care for mushy broccoli. So you might want to cook that on the stove top. Not bad. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not following me already, I hope you will. Have a great rest of your day, my friend, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.